Hello, welcome once again. Today we will be learning in this session the project structure in Protector. The main thing that we will be focusing today is that how to create a project in Protector in Visual Studio Code. We are using the editor Visual Studio Code. Creating project in Protector is very easy and we have to follow a couple of steps. I have mentioned this step in my website studysample.in. I will also provide this link to you in the description box. You can hit this link and follow the basic understanding of creating a project in Protector. Also in this Protector basic understanding session, I have also provided the importance of configuration file and the spec file. You can go through this and read this topic. I have also added some screenshots for your understanding. So let's start the session Protector project basic structure. So the first thing is that we will launch a website, and for that we will be using a demo website. This is the URL for the demo website. I will open this URL using our Protector test cases. And for the next thing, there are a couple of steps that we need to follow. The step number 1 is creating a project. Step number 2 is creating a spec file. And step number 3 is creating a configuration file or config file. And step number 4 is executing the test case using Protector. So let's start the session. The first thing is that creating a project folder. Creating a project folder is very easy. I will directly go to this icon, new folder, and once you go to this new folder icon, you will have this option to create a folder. From there you can create the new folder, or alternatively you can do a very quick shortcut, is that I can just go to this new, right click new and say folder, say XYZ, okay, and I can give this path, come back to the editor, right click there, open folder. From the file you will find open folder, paste it, this XYZ, select folder. So it is now switching you to the new folder that is created XYZ. From there we can write the test cases, we can create the conf file. So we have created this new folder and XYZ, and inside that we will just press a right click and we have the lots of options coming out, and simply we can do a new file and we can write this as config.js. So config.js, that means it is now become a configuration file. In the same way we can do a new file and can write spec.js, which is becoming the spec file. Okay, so I have already created this config and spec and written all the codes that are available in my website studysample.in. Let me show you my website here. You can go to studysample.in and just go to the courses. Now we can go for the project structure. So what I have done is that I have created a project, I have created the spec file, I have created the configurational file, and now the time to execute. Now to execute the test case, I will go to my previous folder that I have. So switching the folder is very easy. Just go to open folder and say code projects. I think the code is, yes, the code, select folder. So it will switch back to my folder that I have created or where I am doing all these codings. Okay, so this is the spec file which I have already created, which is called the test case, but in Protector Jasmine framework we call it as a spec file. And this is the config file, and this is the config file we have. So just skip this one as we are just going to run this spec file. Okay, we are just going to simply run this spec file. So running, we can run it from our terminal also, and we can also run it from the conemu. I think my Selenium server is running here, so let me have a look. Traverse it to the position, cd remain cd protector, cd code, yes, and we will write to start it WebDriver manager start. So it will say whether the Selenium server is already running in our machine or not. I think it's not. Okay, so Selenium is already running. Okay, so we have no issues on that. So we can just go to the terminal. We can just make a run active file here. Okay, no issues. Just go to here and write protector. We will be starting the config file, so we will write protector conf.js. So this will instantiate the Chrome and it is running. So it is running. Our URL opened and we don't have any failures. So the project structure is ready, and now we can deep dive into the coding of how we can write the spec files and many things about protector.